Alright, y'all, so look, we back at the kitchen table with.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
So, I am unboxing my first pair of these, and this is a pair of shoes that I hit off of Bait. So this is a raffle, an online raffle from Bait that I'm about to unbox. My first time getting a pair of these, man. In which the market on these is down, so I'm kind of sad that this is my first time and first opportunity getting them, because I can't resell them for as much as I could before. So, but I got a pair, so that's something, right?
I knew you had some.
Come on. Y'all know what them is. Y'all know what them is. Yeah. So, first starters, seeing how I ain't never held the box, I ain't never seen the box. These are a size 11 Yeezy slide. And that's pretty dope that the box actually slides out. Not as easy as I thought it would. So then that slides out of there, like so. And that's what you have on the inside. And we have the Onyx Yeezy slide.
Wow.
These joints are definitely softer than what I thought they would be. They kind of hard.
Kinda?
Yeah, these are these is kind of hard. These is kind of hard. I like these. Yeah. Don't I like
bend it like that,
what?
man.
Why not? You're supposed to bend it like Beckham. Yeah, I like these. Let's see the other one. Make sure everything is everything. So the shoe is what it's supposed to be. And we have officially have our first pair of Yeezy slides. And I still can't hit on confirm to save my life. I took like 12 L's. I'm talking about big size, grade school size, baby size, extra baby size. I can't hit on confirm to save my life. So hopefully Yeezy days around the corner and hopefully I can hit then, but I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Because when you hit like this, I think I had to pay like an extra $15, whatever retail is, plus $15 for tax and shipping. So that sucks. That cuts into my profit, but it is what it is, baby. We still gonna do our best to make some money. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute.
One eternity later.
All right, y'all. So look, I finally have my other box. So the last box I just showed you, between this clip and that clip, man, it been like 4 days too long. Cause there ain't nothing but money inside of these boxes, man. There ain't nothing but money. There ain't no personals. There ain't nothing but money inside these boxes. So as you can see, this is another pair of the Yeezy slides. So this one was a hit on Dick's Sporting Goods, man. They did the little restock, probably like 9 o'clock. So they originally were supposed to come out at 8. Everybody was in the queue. They were supposed to be all sold out. They did like another online restock at probably like 9 o'clock. I was like, man, let me get on here and try, since confirmed don't give me no love. So the last pair of oh no, look, and this is, I didn't know what size these was. I didn't know what size I pressed on there. Man, I thought I had the damn a bigger size. Man, I got the, you know what I'm saying? I got the little, I thought I had got a bigger size. Man, look at these little joints. I got the little joints. You know what I'm saying? I thought they was, so the bigger size. Hey, look, that's the hard part, man. When you try to order online, especially the flip, the size really don't matter. I know what size that I'm usually going for, but 9 times out of 10, the size really don't matter. You feel what I'm saying? So you just press the button and then figure out what you can add to cart. So, you know what I'm saying, you can double your money. So that's what that was. But I thought it was a different size. So the bigger size, you know what I'm saying, I sold to my man. So those is gone already. I tried to sell them fast enough so I could get some money for Yeezy Day. Man, I didn't hit nothing. Now, granted, I ain't go for probably like the first 4 shoes that was on there. I went for the Turtle Doves. Obviously, I ain't even get into the participate in the raffle for the Turtle Doves. Man, the shit was glitching. That was crazy. I got in on the white foam runners. I got in on the black and red 350s, and I got in on the black foam runners. But them is only the 3 shoes that I got in for. Yeah, Yeezy Day was horrible. That shit was trash. But anyways, so now I gotta go and post this the size 7. Post the size 7 boys. Figure out who need the size 7, man. You know what I'm saying? So we can flip these and get back to it. These right here is going to the car payment pile. These going to the car payment pile. And then the bad thing is, man, ain't nothing else coming. Like, you know what I'm saying? They talking about a dunk restock on Nike and then sneakers day and all of this and that. But, man, there ain't nothing popping. There ain't nothing moving. There ain't no shoes coming that's like a real big flip that's going for, you know, double its value. So, hey, man, I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Man, look, we gonna figure it out. We gonna figure it out. We gonna put it together. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we gonna put it together, man. All right, we out. All right, guys, I don't know if you're still watching, but here's an update. So I sold both pairs of shoes. The last pair of shoes, as you've seen, I was surprised that it was a size 7 because I didn't know what size I clicked on Dick's Sporting Goods. So I updated all of the selling lists that I had to put size 7 on OfferUp. The posts start going crazy, so I'm negotiating price. One thing I'm sad about, though, with the Onyx Yeezy slides, the price of the shoes dropped drastically, man, during these recent restocks. So that was a little disheartening. I was hoping I could sell at least 1 pair of the Yeezy slides I came across for around 140 to 150, but that didn't happen. So the size 7 on StockX is going for like 119, something like that. So I'm like, you know, I put it up for 130. I'll take 120. It is what it is. One of the people I was negotiating with said, okay, well, it's going to be a large travel. We negotiated that. I'm like, all right, he's at 100. I'm at 120. Let's meet in the middle at 110. When I go to meet my man, he come with the oopty. He like, yeah, 100. After he tried to put the shoe on his foot, and as you know, anybody selling anything, as soon as a person personalizes a thing, like a shoe, tries it on things like that, in their mind, they own it. So you got to take whatever price they give you. I don't get down like that. So we had to negotiate. We met in the middle at 105. So I still made a good profit on overall. Like, I didn't make a good profit on each individual shoe, but overall I made about 40, almost 45 bucks selling both pairs of Yeezy slides. That ain't much, but we gonna take it, put it in the bucket, and get back to it. We gonna see y'all soon. We out.